If your Schlage smart lock stops working after replacing the batteries, the issue is usually related to a temporary power glitch or a deadbolt alignment problem. When batteries are removed, the lock's internal controller can sometimes lose its calibration or enter an error state, preventing the motor from initializing correctly. In other cases, the deadbolt position becomes unsynchronized with the lock mechanism after the battery change. The good news is that most of these problems can be solved by reinstalling the batteries correctly, performing a quick reset, or recalibrating the lock through the Schlage Home app. Step 1. Remove the 4 AA batteries and wait about 30 seconds to fully discharge the lock. Step 2. Insert fresh high-quality batteries, making sure the polarity matches the battery compartment markings. Step 3. If the lock still doesn't respond, perform a hard reset by removing the batteries for a few minutes and reinstalling them. Step 4. Manually move the deadbolt halfway and reinstall the batteries to help the motor recalibrate its position. Step 5. Open the Schlage Home app to check for firmware updates and run troubleshooting if the problem continues.